Yeah. Grab your meter. We ain't guessing. We testing. Science in session. Let's try this thing right. Yeah. Moisture meters are the key to inspect and assess what most can't see. Behind that wall, beneath that floor, truth in the data, that's the score. Find the water, make it dry. This science not just a try. Chuck says know your materials. Control the scene, stay managerial. Skip the guessing, bring precision. Numbers drive the next decision. Measure, track, don't fake or cheat. Cause good data makes results complete. Perms high, the water gon' fly. Perms low, it moves real slow. We read, we know, we show, we go. That's how the pros control the flow. Use those readings, trust that key. Communicate what others can't see. Meters talk, we translate. Draw that structure, dominate. Meter the air, meter the material. You're telling the truth, this is for real. No guessing, no stressing, no hope, it's fine. We back it up with a digital line. Adjust, control, prove and move. Every reading improves your groove. Moisture maps light up the show. The numbers don't lie, they let you know. Document, log, show that data. Claim rep calls, they see you later. Records tight, you let it show. You're trying this job like a pro. This ain't luck, it's design and grind. Every digit's a beat, every curve's a line. Thermal, vapor, capillary creep. Science runs deep and it don't sleep. Perms high, the water gon' fly. Perms low, it moves real slow. We read, we know, we show, we go. That's how the pros control the flow. Meters are your key to dry, adjust and see. Moisture don't lie, you just gotta read the screen. Yeah, True Pro. Moisture meters, for sure.